Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So today we learn about teaching and learning in higher education, focusing on the last subtopic, that is using technologies in English language learning. So when we talk about using technologies in English language learning, it is interrelated with CALFIL, Computer Assisted Language Learning. It refers to the area of technology and second language teaching and learning, in which the integration of technological tools in English language classroom will definitely benefit students of 21st century. Why? Because students can work together with their friends. Not only that, teachers can work together with students, and the technology itself is accessible anywhere and everywhere. So how computer can be used in a language class? It can be utilized in various ways. For instance, teaching can be conducted by using a computer. Deliver the content of lesson via PowerPoint or word processor or web page or other platform that is suitable. Not only that, classroom activities or discussion can be mediated by computer or even using interactive whiteboard in classroom. Not only that, teaching itself can be conducted in computer network room, in which teacher can execute task-based group work or activities in class using computer-mediated communication, or we call it as CMC, be it asynchronous or asynchronous. If it's synchronous, it is interrelated with getting immediate responses here and now during that moment, for instance, in online chatting, or asynchronous. That means there is a delay in terms of response. You need to wait for another party to reply your email or your thread in discussion forum or message board. In addition to that, students can conduct independent learning too in regards with the course or subject at hand by using self-access learning centers provided in any educational facilities or universities, because this self-access learning center is designed for students to cater their learning. Students can do self-exercises or drilling. Not only that, using word processing, or even to get more in-depth information about the subject at hand by using or utilizing resource searching. Furthermore, computer is also utilized in distance learning, in which students will learn about the course content individually by themselves at their convenient place or time. It involves very much with CMC activities, for instance, emailing, conducting or participating in discussion forum or chat room. So when we talk about utilizing technology in language learning, definitely there are various platforms that we can use or various technological tools that you can use for English language learning. For instance, Edmodo. Edmodo, basically, it is an LMS. It is learning management systems that allow you to communicate, collaborate, conduct Zoom video conferencing, that allows you to learn about the subject that you are taking, the course that you are taking within your own community from anywhere and everywhere. You also have Schoology. Schoology is another learning management system that provides you with the tools needed to manage virtual class. So you have to enroll in your class in order to get all information about your courses, to learn about your subject matter. Next, you also have Google Classroom. I know you are very familiar of it because we are using Google Classroom this semester. So Google Classroom actually it is a free web service developed by Google for schools to simplify creating, distributing, and even grading assignment via online classroom. So you need to have the class ID in order to enroll in your virtual class. We also have Open Learning. It is a social learning and MOOC we call it as massive open online course platform that allows universities, colleges, and educators to create, design, and deliver lessons. What you have to do is to enroll in open learning, and you can always view your lessons in this particular website. An interesting platform for you to learn your language, that is Duolingo. You can learn language through games or gamification for free. You can learn various languages, be it English, of course, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Irish in this particular platform. You also have Teach to be utilized, or formerly known as BlendSpace. Actually, Teach is a free online resource that is designed to help educators to create an interactive digital lesson that can be shared with the students. Furthermore, Kahoot. Some of you have the experience of playing with Kahoot before. Kahoot actually it is a game-based learning platform that makes it easy to create, share and play learning games or trivia quizzes. So it instills fun in classroom. You learn the language through games. So this is Kahoot. Not only that, you also have YouTube. You can always improve your language proficiency in YouTube by subscribing to BBC channel. It's very interesting. It has tons of videos that you can utilize in order to improve your proficiency in English. Furthermore, we also have Padlet. Padlet is interesting because it is an online virtual board where students and teachers can collaborate together to share links, to reflect, and even post pictures in this particular virtual bulletin board. This one, very interesting, Grammarly. You can always utilize Grammarly. It can be one of your best weapons during your study because it is an online free writing assistance that can help you to detect your grammatical errors and punctuation. So it gives you the suggestion how to correct those mistakes, and it also helps you to detect plagiarism by comparing your originated work, your actual work, with web pages across the web. How about Learn English Grammar? This is an interesting app because this app helps you to improve your grammar skills, and it is developed by British Council. You also have BBC Learning English apps whereby you can learn vocabulary, take grammar lessons, and improve your pronunciation by taking lessons based on news. Another interesting app that worth to be mentioned in order to improve your English language skills will be Bilingual app. This app provides a platform that basically it gives you various ranges of audiobooks with unique karaoke reading. So the text ranges from fairy tales, news, sandpapers, and novels. So you can always utilize these apps whenever you are free in order to cultivate reading habit and improve your language proficiency. You also have Memrise. So Memrise allows you to learn. It is an app that allows you to learn language from thousands of video clips of real, actual native speakers and through games. So it is worth for you to try later on. You also have Hello Talk apps that allows you to talk in real-time manner with people all over the world that actually can help you to heighten, to improve your speaking skills because the apps itself includes video, audio calls, texting, translation tools, and group chat. So you can converse with the native speakers. Next, you have Busuu apps. These particular apps can help you to practice your reading skills, writing, speaking, listening skills, and even talk with native speakers, English native speakers, to practice your English. You also have Quiz Your English, whereby you can always battle with your friends over a range of general English topics and grammar. You can always brush up your skills by selecting exam-specific topics in this particular apps. So you can always challenge your friends through social media and quiz your English language skills. And the last interesting apps is Babbel. It is an English learning app that focuses on vocabulary. So you might want to try these apps in order to improve your English language proficiency during your free time. Last but not least, 3 R's for academic survivals. Actually, this is an essential technique for exam passes in order for you to pass your academia courses. So what is 3 R? First, R stands for read. Whenever you have reading materials, you need to read paragraph by paragraph in order to get what the author intends to say in that particular paragraph. Once you have read, you have understand what the author intends to say, you need to go to the next stage, that is recording. Recording involved with jotting down all the information that you have sought in those reading materials. You need to jot down notes. And finally, the last stage is reciting. Once you have jotted down the information that you obtain from your reading materials, what you have to do, you need to cover those notes and recite it out loud. Try to remember what the reading material, reading text is all about. Remember, if you can't say it out loud, you can't recite it, then there is high possibility that you are not be able to recall it during your class or even write it in your exam. So it's all about reciting the information that you obtain from your reading text or reading materials. Alright class, we are done with our lesson and it's time for you to complete your assessment. What you have to do would be, you need to form a group of 5 or 6 members. You need to conduct a live research in regards with e-learning platforms or application that is available online that can be utilized in learning and improving English language skills. Next step, you need to choose only one e-learning platform or application, and you need to produce a tutorial video that demonstrates and explains how to use that particular chosen platform or application. Remember, the video must be original, must not be taken from any other platform, and everyone needs to present both visually and orally in the video. So inside your tutorial video, you have to recommend how the platform or apps can help you in learning and improving your English language skills, be it reading skills, writing skills, listening skills, speaking skills, or even grammar or vocabulary. So this first assessment presentation 1 carries 15% of your coursework mark, and I will evaluate it based on this marking scheme. For content, 10 marks for introduction, 30 marks for content or body, 10 marks for conclusion, as well as another 10 marks goes for recommendation. So in total, it is 60 marks. And as for language, it is equivalent to 40 marks. So altogether, it is 100 marks, and I will convert it into 15% of your coursework mark. So thank you so much, class, and I wish you nothing but all the best. See you in the next lesson. Bye.